Hey everyone, I hope you all are good. This is the funny calculator that I have created just now, so I thought to upload its tutorial. So let me show you how this works. So we have to enter the first number and then the operation and then the second number, and then we'll click on this calculate button. Okay, but before entering the first number and second number, if the user directly clicks on this calculate button, it says, why are you clicking when you haven't entered anything? Right? So this is funny. So let's enter our first number 10 and let's enter our second number 20, and let's just choose any operation like multiplication, and then once we'll click on this calculate button, let's see what happens. So the result is hello world. So you see, if we enter any number, it will going to show us the same result, hello world. So this is my first calculator, or this is the beginner calculator that anybody can create, right? So let me quickly go through the code and explain you how this code is working. So we will firstly start with our window setup. So here you see, this is the code for window setup. Here you are creating the window first of all, and then you are setting the title, then you are setting the width and the height for your window. Okay, then you are defining the font style, where the styling is Arial, size is 12. After that, you are creating a label, main label that you see here, this funny calculator. So using the label class, you are creating the calculator, you are setting the font, right, and then you are placing it. After that, your first number entry. So firstly you are creating a label first number, right, and then you are creating the entry field where you will enter your first number. This is how you have to do it. And then you are creating the operation drop down. Okay, so this is just the label operation, and then this variable we have defined, which will store the operation that you will enter. This is actually not required, so it's up to you. And then using the combo box class, we are creating a combo box, okay, where you will see all those options. All right, let me remove this line. I think this is not required. Okay, uh, then we can remove this as well. Yeah, after that, this is our second number entry. Okay, so this is the label, and then this is the entry field for entering the second number. And then we have this button, this is the calculate button. Okay, and to this calculate button we have passed a command, a function. So whenever you'll click on this button, this function code will be executed. And lastly, we have a result label where you will see the label, result, I mean, right? So its text is initially empty. So when you will uh, click on this button, then you will see the text here, right, inside this result label. And then this main loop, this helps in keeping our window on the screen. Okay, now let's go to the calculate function. So whenever you'll click the button, this function code will execute. So firstly we are getting the number from number 1, then we are getting the number 2 from number 2 entry field, right? Then we are checking if you have not entered anything in these two entry fields, then we are showing the message box, why are you clicking when you haven't entered anything, right? And if these two are not empty, then we'll go to the else code, and in the else code we have simply updated the text of our result label, and the result is hello world. Okay, and we also don't need the color. Text color by default will be black only, and then this is the font. Okay, I hope this is clear. And these two we need to import at the top: Tkinter for creating the graphical user interface, then TTK for using the combo box, right, for drop down, and then this message box for showing the message box. So I hope this is clear to you, and I hope you liked it. So this way you can create many funny applications using Tkinter. This will help you to learn in a fun way. So thank you for watching.